Listen, everybody acts like there's different metrics for different FICO scores. There's not. What goes into making them move is the exact same thing. Now, what those different FICO score models, FICO score 2, FICO score 5, FICO score 9 that the mortgage companies use, they are rating the items differently. So it's not like you can make those scores go up. The same 5 elements to the credit score algorithm apply. On-time payment history is still 35% for the FICO score. Utilization rate is still 30%. All of those things are still weighted the same. Now, what mortgage companies do is they go, okay, what's more important to us? Does she have other mortgages, or does she have other investment properties? Or does she have other large personal loans, or does she have a couple auto loans that she's paid off accurately or on timely? So they look at that more, but it's not like you can target that, because how you going to raise your mix of credit? Go out and get a bunch of loans? Then you're going to have a bunch of new accounts on your credit report that actually lowers your average age of credit. So you're going to be doing damage. So you can't just target that. Focus on getting a good credit file, a nice, healthy, thick credit file, and your mortgage score will do what it's supposed to do.